saw a couple weeks ago, I did the Target beauty box unboxing for March. They just released ones for April today, both a normal one and an all-naturals one. I ordered both. But it was also brought to my attention that Walmart also does beauty boxes. However, they only do 4 a year instead of 1 every month. They do 1 for each season, so every, 3 months they come out with one. So I have the one for spring. It's right here. I have heard mixed reviews on them being good or bad. A lot of people think they're kind of shitty, but I mean, it's $5 and it's only 4 times a year. That's only $20 all year. So I'm like, why not? Why not? So first thing I noticed right off the bat with this corrugated cardboard, it feels almost like it's been painted and just something icky feeling about the box. I don't like the feel of the box itself, just right off the bat. I'm gonna throw that out there. Yeah, I'm being petty, but I'm telling you my thoughts. It does have the little Walmart asterisk-y thing here. The other thing I noticed right off the bat, when I got the tape off, or not tape, the cling wrap off the outside, there's an odd smell on here that's very chemical that I am not liking, so that already is like a downvote against it. So let's see what we got. So open it up. We got some stuff here. We'll go through it a piece at a time. So first thing is a Garnier Whole Blends, wholesome loving hair blended for naturally beautiful hair in haute delicacy. Paraben-free, tested on sensitive scalps. Recipe blended with oat milk and rice cream extracts. Protein-rich oat milk and soothing rice cream blend to form a delicate lather that coats your hair in lightweight hydration. Hair is supple and softened with weightless moisture. Oat milk from Finland. Find your blend from hashtag Whole Blends. Okay. Then we've got this. I guess they have the little info sheets on top and then the samples down below. Hydration Heroes. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/tp/shop-beauty-box. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. I guess I'll be posting this on Instagram. Powered by brandsshare.us. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey by visiting beautyboxsurvey.com. Okay. Then we have a thing from Pantene in here. Play, Rescue, Reset. Pantene Pro-V Intense Rescue Shots. Treatment targets extreme damage. Helps prevent split ends. Yeah, what if you already got those split ends like I do? Mine are a train wreck. Play, Rescue, Reset with Pantene Pro-V Intense Rescue Shots. Coloring and styling hair is an essential way we play, experiment, and transform our look, but with that transformation... Sorry, there's a pop-up. With that transformation comes damage to hair's structure and loss of nutrients, leaving hair rough, dull, and rigid. That's why the world's #1 conditioner brand turned to Brazil, the country believed to have some of the world's most beautiful hair and the most overprocessed, overstylized, and overworked hair for their secret. Introducing new Pantene Pro-V Intense Rescue Shots, the brand's most potent repair product yet. Say that 3 times fast. This single-dose tube contains a deeply absorbing blend of provitamin B5, strengthening lipids, and natural glycerin that targets the damaged areas to give hair the I think it's supposed to be flexibility, but they forgot the F. So, flexibility and resilience it needs to endure styling and environmental stresses, resulting in salon-like hair between professional treatments. So, provides deep conditioning, but rinses cleanly to avoid weighed-down hair that sacrifices your next-day style. I almost said best. Noticeably repairs extreme damage to turn dry, brittle hair into shiny, soft, and more resilient hair in just 1 use. Could use that. Ideal for color-treated and heat-styled hair of all types. Contains Pantene's highest level of strengthening lipids, enabling the product to penetrate the hair versus coat it, directly targeting the most damaged areas. Pantene's first at-home rescue treatment imported from Brazil. To use weekly in place of your normal conditioner. Apply generously to fully saturate the hair, root to tip, and don't hold back. The product was formulated to prevent overdosing. 1 minute is all you need from start to rinse. You can overdose on this? That's a little alarming. Just gonna throw that out there. Visit Walmart.com for more information. New Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots. Well, that concerns me. Well, here's the box for it. Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots, Ampule, treatments, targets, extraction. No, we already read all that. Here's the ingredients, if anybody wants to pause and look at them. I doubt it. Step 1. After washing hair with Pantene shampoo and conditioner, dispense the ampule into your hand. Step 2. Apply onto damp hair and massage from mid-length to the ends. And step 3. Rinse thoroughly. Mid-length to the ends. And yet over here, it says... Where did it say it? Was it this side? Yeah, root to tip. Yeah, I'm noticing some discrepancies here. Let's see how big this thing is. That is interesting to me. But the fact that it's so you won't overdose, I'm like, oh, that's not alarming or anything. No. What is in it that you could overdose on? My goodness, is it the vitamins? Even has an expiration date of 2021. Here we've got water, cetyl alcohol, bis-aminopropyl dimethicone, stira, amidoprolol, dimethylene, or dimethylamine, glycerin, sterol alcohol, glutamic acid, fragrance, citric acid, benzyl alcohol, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, panthenol, pamphenyl ethyl ether, sodium chloride, oh, good luck with this word, methylchloroisothiazolinone. It goes all the way across the line. All one word, and then another one on the line below. Methylisothiazolinone. Made in Brazil. I like the idea, but I'm mildly terrified, but I'll try it anyway. So there's that one. And then we have Curel. Dermatologist recommended hydrotherapy, wet skin moisturizer. Oh, I could have used this earlier. Apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin. You can only imagine. Water-activated moisture works deep into the skin's surface, helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex, immediately absorbs, and completely greaseless. Wonderful! Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer is activated by water on freshly showered skin and penetrates deeply into the surface to heal dryness. I could use it here. Heal dryness for soft skin that you can only imagine. 94% of users experience soft and healthy looking skin. Directions: after showering or bathing, apply Curel Hydrotherapy to wet skin. Glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. 2. No need to rinse off or wait. Towel dry as normal. Use daily for best results. That's a decent sized tube to try it out with, so alright. I'm here for that. That may have been worth my $5 right there. Olay Daily Facials. Daily Hydrating Clean, Grapeseed Extract, 5-in-1 Cleansing Power of a Makeup Remover, Scrub, Toner, Mask, and Cleanser. Just add water. It's a dry cloth. Our exclusive cloths, so you guys can see. Our exclusive cloths are specially textured with soft cleansing pockets to break up visible and invisible residues for a complete clean. Remove dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleansing. Smooth skin as it cleans with soft fiber polishers. Replenish skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. Dermatologically tested, suitable for gentle eye area, soap-free. Directions: wet cloth and massage into hands to activate a luxurious lather. Cleanse the face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for a final rinse. Dispose of cloth. Do not flush. Okay. So we have that. Oh, this is so appropriate for today, because today is National Unicorn Day. I've got the Unicorn Glow hologram mask. Maybe I should use it today. Oh, detox and brightening. Oh my goodness. That is really weird that I opened this today of all days and that's in there. It's got black charcoal, niacinamide, and hologram mask. I am so intrigued. Sue AE's hologram mask is soaked in a unique double-sided black charcoal and hologram sheet. Charcoal helps to detox and purify the skin. Plant extract delivers and nourishes the skin. Directions. Clean your skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. What if you don't have toner? Place the black side down on the skin or adjust to fit comfortably around the eyes and contour of the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove the mask. Take remaining essence and pat into skin. No need to rinse. Warnings. For external use only, stop and consult the doctor if skin becomes red, swollen, or itches during or after use. If in the eyes, rinse thoroughly with plenty of clean water. Avoid storing under direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Keep out of reach of children. So intrigued. So intrigued. They show it actually looking like a hologram while you wear it. So I'm like, may have to try it later. Here's the whole blend. So we've got the gentle shampoo and the matching conditioner. Okay, I've gotten different samples from whole blends before, but not the Oat Delicacy one, I don't think. Actually, I take that back. Yes, I have. I've gotten it from the Pinch Me boxes before, which I've actually never done videos on. Maybe I should. It's another samples box thing, but theirs are free. You just have to be there really fast on Sample Tuesday. So, I mean, that's a thing. But, let's see here. Garnier Whole Blends. Wholesome, loving care blended for naturally beautiful hair every day. Gentle conditioner with oat milk and rice cream extracts. Okay, we already read this. The result. Reveal soft hair that is weightlessly hydrated and conditioned. Okay. And then, finally, much like Ipsy, it comes with a bag. You know how I feel about the bags. That makes me so stinking happy. It's actually bigger than the Ipsy bags by a little bit. A little bit. So that actually makes me real happy. This one looks like it has raindrops. I guess April showers bring May flowers, so there's that. It's got this cute little tassel on it over here. And on the back side, we've got the Walmart asterisk again, I guess, so nobody forgets where you got this from. So I'm curious if this is actually big enough to contain all of the samples we got. What is in here? Oh, that's a fold of fabric. So let's see if we can make everything fit. First try, no they don't. Okay, what if I fold it? Does it fit? It's a squeeze. Maybe. Maybe. I got it in there. So she said. Let's try the rescue shots. Those fit. Okay, so far so good. I swear if this leaks, I'm gonna be so mad at myself for doing this. The hologram map. No, okay. You know what? Actually, I'm not gonna try to force them. Let's just see which ones naturally fit. I don't think we need that in a bag, because that goes in the shower. Hydrotherapy, that makes sense to throw in a bag. That does not. This does. So 3 of the 5 items fit in the bag. It's okay by me. So there we have it. That is what is in the spring Walmart beauty box for 2019. I'm looking forward to doing more of these in the future. Hopefully you guys will look forward to watching me unbox them and review the stuff as I use it. So anyway, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Do any of you guys buy these from Walmart? Have you used any of the products that was in this beauty box? What was your favorite thing from the beauty box? Anything at all? About anything? Even if it's something not in the video, go ahead and leave it down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. Y'all know where to find me. They're all down in the description box. My Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, everything, and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.